Hello, today's Meenakshi Sinha here from Keeping in Touch with Master Meenakshi Sinha with a problem related with the geometry. ओलंपियाड बेसिस का क्वेश्चन है उन सब बच्चों के लिए जो मैथ्स में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं और उन सब लोगों के लिए भी जो मैथ्स लवर है. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है फॉर द क्लास 11th ऑनवर्ड के लिए ये भी है. 10th वीक वाले भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अ सेमीस्फीयर, आधा सर्कल है. उस सर्कल के अंदर एबीसी एबीडी एडीसी एक ट्राइंगल है जिसका एरिया 272 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर दिया है, जिसमें डी 90 डिग्री है और सी से डी की ऊंचाई 15 दे रखी है. हमें रेडियस निकालना है. व्हाट आर वी आर गिवन दैट दिस इज अ सेमी सर्कल with a dia of AB having the perpendicular drop from C on diameter AB at D so that it produces a triangle CDA. The area of this triangle, which is rectangle triangle with the angle D as a 90 degree, is equal to 270 square centimeter, and length of CD is 15. We have to find the radius of the circle. Now, what we are given? Radius can be obtained if the whole dia is known to us. This diameter is the addition of this plus this. So first of all, this can be obtained with the help of this triangle because we are given the area of the triangle. इस triangle में हमें area दे रखा है, इसकी height दे रखी है, तो ये base निकाल के हम इतना portion इस dia का निकाल सकते हैं. इसके diameter का, इसके व्यास का ये वाला portion हम इस एरिया और इस हैंड से निकाल सकते हैं. क्या देखा है? वी आर गिवन, हम लोग को दे रखा है दैट एरिया इज इक्वल टू ऑफ एडीसी. ट्राइंगल एडीसी का जो रेडियस है, एरिया है, दैट इज 270, विच एज पर फॉर्मूला कैन बी रिटन एज 1/2 AD इंटू CD. AD into CD, that is 1/2. AD is not known to us, CD is given to us 15, this is 270. It means AD is equal to 2 into 270 upon 15. AD is equal to 2, इसको काट दीजिए. 15 1s are 15 and 15 8s are 120. दैट इज 36 हो गया AD. ये वाली चीज हमें 36 पता चल गई. दिस इज नोन टू अस. एक चीज हमें पता चली, AD इज इक्वल टू 36. ओके, अब नाउ रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन इज टू डिटरमाइन DB. और जब DB निकल जाएगा तो 36 में जोड़ के उसका आधा कर देंगे, दैट विल बी द रेडियस. नाउ आवर पर्पस इज टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ DB. Let's suppose this is equal to x. Let's suppose that dB is equal to x. If dB is equal to x, तो join this C and B. CB को join कीजिए. Though because CB this is the diameter, then this will be the triangle rect having this angle equal to 90 degree. Because this is a triangle on the circumference with the diameter as a hypotenuse. So this will be equal to 90 degree. So what we can do, first of all we can find the value of AC with the help of this triangle. In triangle ADC, AC square, this is the 90 degree angle, AC square, this square can be written as this CD square plus AD square, that is 15 square plus 36 square is equal to AC square. This should also be noted down. Okay, अब देखिए फिर से. Now in triangle ABC, AB is the hypotenuse, this is 90 degree angle, so AB square can be written as this square plus this square. इसी तरह से इस ट्राइंगल को लेंगे सी डी बी. This is the hypotenuse for this triangle CDB. Then CV square further can be written as 15 square plus x square. Now we will take two triangles. Take triangle ABC and DBC. दोनों में CB की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. In triangle this ADC, CB square, this will be equal to CB square, this will equal to AB square minus AC square. CB square, this square minus this square is equal to CB square. ABC, this is 90-degree angle. This square minus this square is equal to CB square. Okay, ठीक है. This can be written as AB. AB is equal to what? This 36 plus x minus AC square. AC square is this 15 square minus 36 square. Okay, this is the value of CB square. Clear? Or we can say CB square is equal to, इसका खोल लीजिए, 36 square plus 72x plus x square minus this is 15. This is 15. Is minus 15 square minus 36 square. This was AC square was 15 square plus 36 square. 15 square plus 36 square. So this 36 square and this 36 square get cancelled. We are having here 72x plus x square minus 15 is equal to CB square. Clear? Okay. This is also noted down. Now CB square, this as per the triangle ADC. As per the triangle ADC. CB square is equal to AB square minus AC square. This is as per the triangle ABC. As per the triangle ABC, this CB square is equal to AB square minus AC square. Okay, this was the triangle ABC. It was my mistake. It should be ABC in place of ADC. Now, with triangle DBC, CB square in triangle DBC. In this triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, CB square can be written as CB square, CD square plus DB square, CD square plus DB square. CD square is equal to 15 square plus that is x square. This is also CB square, this is also CB square. We can put this value equal to this because both are equal. दोनों को बराबर रख देते हैं. दोनों को बराबर रखेंगे तो ये मैं इस तरफ करती हूँ. 72x plus x square minus 15. This will be equal to 15 का square plus x square. This x square get cancelled with this. We are simply having 72x minus 15 is equal to minus, this is 15 square, sorry, minus 15 square is equal to 50 square, or 72x is equal to 2 times 15 square, or x is equal to 2 into 50 square upon 72. अगर इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे that will become 25/4. It will be 25/4. Okay, cm, that is the value of x. So diameter become, space is less, that's why I have to calculate somewhere here, somewhere here. So space is very less, that's why. Now the dia is equal to radius, we have to find the radius. Radius is equal to dia ka half, it is 36 plus 25/4, 2 times r is equal to 36 plus 25/4, that is 144 plus 25 upon 4, that is 961, 169/4, or r is equal to, that is 2r, that is r is equal to 169 upon 8, that will be equal to 216 हो गया 1.15 cm, that is 41.15 cm. It will become 41.15 cm will be the radius of the given semicircle. Clear? Revise कर रही हूँ फिर से. First of all, we have to find the length of AD with the help of this centimeter square area and this height. Afterward, we have obtained the value of AC square. कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. AC स्क्वायर को 15 स्क्वायर प्लस 36 स्क्वायर की तरह ही यूज करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू दिस स्क्वायर प्लस दिस स्क्वायर. ओके, उसके बाद हमने दो ट्राइंगल ले लिए ACB और CDB, जिसमें CB square is common. Putting these value together, CB square as per this triangle ABC can be written as AB square minus AC square, AB square minus AC square. AB is equal to 36 plus x square minus AC square. AC square is obtained previously, 15 square plus 36 square, 15 square plus 36 square. Then it is opened and the value become as per this equation 72x plus x square minus 15. Now this CB square can also be obtained with the help of this triangle. BBC की सहायता से भी CB स्क्वायर की वैल्यू निकाली जा सकती है, जो 15 का स्क्वायर प्लस x के स्क्वायर के बराबर है. दोनों को इक्विवेलेंट करा, बराबर रखा, x की वैल्यू 25/4 आएगी. अब उस x में 36 अगर जोड़ते हैं तो डायमीटर आएगा, उसका भी हाफ करेंगे, इसलिए 2r is equal to 36 plus 25/4, that is 169/4, and 169/4 को फिर से डिवाइड करें 169/8 will be the value of radius. It become 21.15. Okay, see you, bye. Don't forget to subscribe me, like me. Okay, thank you.